How to download a video from Alibaba. Hi guys, in today's video I'll be showing you the ways to download videos from alibaba.com. In order to download a video, first thing first, check your internet connection, open up or log in into your Alibaba account. Once you're logged in, locate the particular product for which you want to actually download the video. So let's say that I'm gonna go with the random video. So this is the particular one. If you were using a desktop version, then it should be very simple, very easy for you to download the video, because you could have just downloaded an extension such as video downloader and copy the link, and then video must have been downloaded. But if you're using a mobile device, the only alternative is that to take a screen record. As you can see in my case, currently I'm taking a screen record of the following video. So if I open up the particular video, it's going to be added on the screen recorded video as well. So the only alternative is to screen record the following video and then edit the part, or remove the part that's unwanted or unnecessary or that's not needed, and that's basically how you can download a video from Alibaba. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.